You shouldn't stare.
Well, you shouldn't look like that. May I get you an aperitif?
I'm not sure. It gets me into trouble. Makes me do crazy things.
Well, we can't have that.
So I'll have a vodka martini. Dirty.
Make that too.
I have a question.
Well, what's that?
Why, given every other possible option, does a man choose the life of a paid assassin?
Well, it was that or the priesthood.
I'm serious. Is this really what you want? Living in the shadows, hunting, being hunted, always looking behind you, always alone?
I'm not alone.
Answer the question.
I'm not sure I ever had a choice. Anyway, I don't stop to think about it.
What would happen if you did?
Stop?
Yes.
I don't know.
Your drinks, sir.
Can you leave them there, please?
You know, I think you're wrong.
I am.
We always have a choice.
I'll drink to that.